Here are a few things you might be able to use if you have a steep stairway. This would be a stairway with small steps and tall risers, and you can't make the stairway any larger. First thing on the list would be to use different colors for the treads and risers, especially for people who have a difficult time separating the two when they're made out of the same materials. Next up, and I think the most important in this video, will be to have a grippable handrail on at least one side of the stairway, preferably two if you have the room. And by that, I would be suggesting not to put one on both sides. If you have a narrow stairway, a stairway that might be 24 inches wide, that will make it difficult to move furniture or large objects up to the next level. And make sure that the hand railing is secured firmly to the wall framing studs or wall. Next up on the list would be a guard railing if you do not have one, or raise the height of the guard railing if you think it's too low or you have concerns about somebody falling over it. And I do have videos at our website for stair building codes, and you can get to them by hitting the design tab at the top and then clicking on the building codes link. Next up on the list, some type of a anti-skid or anti-slip resistant material if you're dealing with smooth stair steps. And this would probably be second on my list. Hand railing first, this second, because it usually doesn't cost much and is easy to install. Next up on the list, if you're interested in doing a little remodeling, would be to remove the existing treads or somehow attach a nosing to them. And if you are going to add a nosing to the existing treads, make sure that it's going to be strong enough, because the last thing you want to do will be to add a nosing and then have somebody step on it and then break it off and fall down the stairway, defeating the purpose of adding the nosing. And the last two on the list will be to add lighting to a stairway that might not have enough light. And the last one will be to keep the stairway clear of objects and clean. And you would be surprised how many accidents happen because someone was trying to step over something or actually slipped on an object that was located on the stairway.